looks like we got a full house. We had just signed the papers, and I went inside the house and this cat just walks right in, like she already lived there. Elle didn't really think she belonged to anybody because she had some missing patches of fur, and she was very skinny. She's taking a nap in my yard right now. The next morning, there were 5 cats outside, and I was like, okay, she brought some friends. That's nice. Then after that, I started realizing that they weren't leaving my yard. So I was like, I don't think they're eating anywhere else. I was like, okay, this is their space now, and I guess these are the cats that I care for. They're free to go whenever they want, but they don't. From the moment I wake up, I'm like, ew, I get to go outside and see my gang. Elle bought this house because it had a shed, and Elle was going to make that my gem. But it's the cat space now. So I decided to rearrange my gem space, and while I was at it, I figured I'd give the cats their own little living room. It's got really nice amenities, like their playground. I mod them their fence steps. It's possible they got the better house. I feel like that's a very great honor for me to be able to provide for 5 amazing cats that want to stay in my backyard. But Elle got some more family. They've made my days so much richer. Eiffel had known that they were gonna be at the house. I would have offered more.